Alright, working on this bike again, trying to put together. Getting ready to throw the primary cover on it, and we come across some bearing issues. This here makes a little bit of noise here. Which doesn't sound too good, but not super bad, but it will be bad in a little bit. When I officially took it apart, I heard some noise. I was trying to figure what they were. So right now the main shaft spins nice and free. So half the gear set's good. But, go ahead and rotate it. Right there, tight spots. It's not in the same spot. Got two teeth in a row, got crap in them right there. Here too? Mm-hmm. So you're in between two, it's notchy. It's not the chain or the pulley or the sprocket. You can't hear it on the other side. It's over here. So it's not in the same spot every time. So I don't think it's in a high gear. I think it's in one of the other. Some other gears got the problem. So something is broken in this tranny, and it will soon depart the case if you don't fix it. So we're going to have to pull this whole tranny out of this thing and find out what this is, because that is not runnable much longer in that condition. More issues. Alright, that's it for that one.